Language is a way to communicate ideas to the other person. Often, when we travel to a new place where we don't understand the local language, we tend to use just specific words and we try to communicate our ideas. Once our ideas are understood, then the job is done. If you carefully observe, more than grammar, it is the vocabulary which is very important. Once you know the vocabulary, you can just use the right words and still communicate your idea to the other person without even naming a grammatically correct sentence. I always encourage you guys to learn vocabulary, and the best way to learn vocabulary, especially the nouns, is to learn the gender along with its plurality. Why do I say so? The thing is, in German, all words are gendered, unlike in English. In English, anything other than a human being is considered a thing, neutral. For example, a tree is considered neutral. A laptop is considered neutral. But that's not the case in German. In German, a table is considered masculine. So that means to say, when you want to say, I bought a table, it is big. But in German, you would say, I bought a table, he is big. Because table is, at the end of the day, masculine in German. Similarly, a door, it is considered feminine. So, because of this gendering, vocabulary learning in German becomes a little challenging. So, what's the way ahead? While learning a noun, you have to learn its gender and also its plural form. That's the easiest way. You see, it's all a one-time effort. Once you're comfortable with the gender and then the plural form of the word, then you're good to go. And as a beginner, you would definitely want to build your core vocabulary on all the daily life topics. So this video covers all the vocabulary from chapter 1, which are required for your daily life German conversations. So in the first column, you can find the singular form of the given word, and the corresponding plural forms are mentioned in the second column, and in the third column, the meaning of the word in English. So let's begin. Der Name, die Namen. That means the name. Der Vorname, die Vornamen. The first name. Remember, V is vowel in German. Der Nachname, die Nachnamen. The last name. Die Telefonnummer, die Telefonnummern means the telephone number. Die Handynummer, die Handynummern, which is the mobile number. Die Hausnummer, die Hausnummern, meaning the house number. Die E-Mail-Adresse, die E-Mail-Adressen, that is the email address. Die Webseite, die Webseiten, the website. Die Straße, die Straßen, that is the street. Die Postleitzahl, die Postleitzahlen, that is the area code. Die Stadt, die Städte, the city. Das Land, die Länder, the country. Deutschland is Germany. Österreich is Austria. Die Schweiz, the Switzerland. Die Sprache, die Sprachen, the language. Deutsch, German. Wie, how. Where, who. Wo means where. Woher means from where. Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Which languages do you speak? Buchstabieren, to spell. Heißen means to be called. Kommen means to come. Lernen means to learn. Sein means to be. Sprechen means to speak. Wohnen means to live. Hallo means hi. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Tag, good day. Guten Abend, good evening. Gute Nacht, good night. Tschüss, bye. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. So, guys, I encourage you to listen as well as repeat each of the word. So that way you're memorizing it as well as learning the right pronunciation. Both are, of course, very important. And if you repeat this process for 2 or 3 times, then definitely the word is going to stay in your memory for longer. So that's all I have in this video, guys. Have a nice day. Schönen Tag noch. Tschüss.